everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can update your REDnote app. It is a very simple process. All you have to do is firstly launch your app store and then tap on the search icon, then tap on search bar and start typing REDnote and then tap on search. And here you can see the REDnote app. Simply just tap on the app. And then you can see there is a blue button saying open. Mine says open because mine app is already up to date. If your isn't up to date, there will be the option of update. Simply just tap on update and your update process will start. And that is it. That is how you can update your REDnote app on your iPhone. Very easy and simple process, right? If it was a help, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.